Willie says hello here, the Ayr Racecourse, a great landmark for North Ayr and for Ayrshire in Scotland. This is, I told you, day one of the campaign starts. I'm going to be out continuous with the Blue Panzer. We will be about. So we're going to fly over the ward, yet again with drone footage or aerial footage of the ward of North Ayr or part of it. So get up in the sky and let's see what I'm taking on. The challenge lies ahead for me. And bear in mind, it's a big ward, and I don't know, that's quite high up actually. You'll see what lies ahead for the mighty WSH. The Blue Panzer is with the battle bus. It'll be out all the streets. We're out with our PA system, shouting and letting people hear us, talking to people, local resident, local candidate, local issues. Don't be afraid to flag me down when you see me about the streets with the PA system. We're about leafleting too, but my main concern is not leafleting, it's talking to you, getting the word out there to the people, interacting with you, my followers and supporters. But more importantly, I want all of you to make an effort on the 16th October to go to the ballot box and use your freedom of speech. There's the people there that are waving the support they're getting tremendous. And this is not fiction. The support I am getting is tremendous out there. The support is there for me to win this on the 16th October. So I will go and do my best, or going to do my best to win it for you, the people of North Ayr, to represent you to the best of my ability, to give you a voice in South Ayrshire Council. Ayr County Buildings, that is, by the way, folks. So there you go, there's your leaflets here. There are other leaflets coming out, but as I say, the main focus of my campaign is social media, here standing, spreading the word, out and about, the whole ward. For example, Russell Drive, I've been in there several times, and let me assure you, Russell Drive is on my agenda. Russell Drive in Wallerstown is on my agenda. I totally respect the people in there. I cannot say this about other political parties who do not always give it the recognition it deserves or the respect it deserves. Let me assure you, Russell Drive, you will get the same respect as the people of the Millen, Lochside, Heathfield, Newton and Ayr. All places will get equal respect. And equal respect means I will do my best to represent all those people if elected. As they say, we did a video earlier today in Russell Drive Swing Park. Question marks must be asked, the maintenance cycle of this. It doesn't take a lot to get a brush and brush them up, does it, folks? And if it doesn't get tidied up in the next 2 or 3 days, I will take the brush and I will go, because I just don't do the talk, I do the walk too. And anybody that knows me, I can do the walk and the talk together. I'm not a man in a suit. I am not a man or a person in a suit. I will do the walk and the talk, let me assure you. And let's hope the boys are going to signal me when my 2 minutes is coming up. And have we covered the whole ward? What we can see, team, have we seen the whole ward? There's another peep of the support. This is what we're getting, we're out there. We're getting great support. We are, the support is there, and we'll continue until the 16th at 10 o'clock that night. That's when we will stop. We will stop then. And you know what I'm going to say? I'll do it this way. She's all there, folks.